10 surprising health benefits of watermelon and how to make an aphrodisiac watermelon and lemon juice. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Today, I'm excited to share with you 10 surprising health benefits of watermelon and a delicious recipe for an aphrodisiac watermelon and lemon juice. Watermelon is not only a delicious summer fruit, but it's also packed with nutrients that are great for your health. Here are 10 benefits of watermelon that you may not know. 1. Hydrates the body. Watermelon is over 90% water, making it a great way to stay hydrated during the hot summer months. 2. Lowers blood pressure. Watermelon contains an amino acid called citrulline, which has been shown to help lower blood pressure. 3. Helps with digestion. The high water and fiber content in watermelon can help keep you regular and prevent constipation. 4. Reduces inflammation. Watermelon is rich in antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the body. 5. Boosts immunity. Watermelon is packed with vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. 6. Promotes heart health. Watermelon contains lycopene, which has been shown to help reduce the risk of heart disease. 7. Helps with muscle soreness. The amino acid citrulline in watermelon has been shown to help reduce muscle soreness after exercise. 8. Improves eye health. Watermelon contains beta-carotene, which is important for maintaining healthy eyes. 9. May reduce cancer risk. Watermelon is rich in antioxidants that can help protect against cancer. 10. Supports weight loss. Watermelon is low in calories and high in water and fiber, making it a great food to help with weight loss. Now, let's move on to the recipe. To make this delicious aphrodisiac watermelon and lemon juice, you'll need 4 cups of watermelon, chopped. Juice of 1 lemon. 1 tablespoon honey. A handful of fresh mint leaves. Blend all the ingredients together in a blender until smooth. Pour the juice into a glass and garnish with a few more mint leaves. This juice is not only delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients that can help boost your libido and improve your overall health. Watermelon juice is believed to have aphrodisiac properties, which means that it can increase sexual desire and enhance sexual performance. This is due to the presence of certain compounds in watermelon, such as citrulline, which can help improve blood flow to the genitals, and lycopene, which can help improve overall sexual health. Citrulline is an amino acid that is converted into arginine in the body, which helps to relax and dilate blood vessels. This, in turn, can increase blood flow to the genitals and improve sexual function. In fact, some studies have shown that citrulline supplementation can improve erectile dysfunction in men. Lycopene, on the other hand, is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect against oxidative damage and inflammation, which can contribute to erectile dysfunction and other sexual health issues. It may also help improve sperm quality and motility, which can improve male fertility. In addition to these compounds, watermelon is also rich in vitamins and minerals that are important for overall health, such as vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients can help improve energy levels, reduce stress, and support overall sexual health and well-being. Overall, drinking watermelon juice can be a great way to enhance sexual desire and performance, as well as improve overall health and well-being. So if you're looking for a natural way to boost your libido, consider adding some fresh watermelon juice to your diet. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning about the health benefits of watermelon and how to make this delicious aphrodisiac juice. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content. See you in the next video.